Hey everybody, how's it going? When diagnosing a vehicle, there's a lot of things that go into making sure that that's done properly. One of the areas that I see a lot of people fall short is when they diagnose a vehicle, they find a failed part and that's it. They replace that part and they carry on. But what if that bad part was caused to fail because something else isn't working the way it should? Say, for instance, you have an interior door handle that isn't working, and you open up the panel and you find the interior handle on the inside is broken. That could possibly fix it. You put a new handle on it and yeah, it opens. But what if the reason that handle broke is because the latch isn't working properly and it's causing you to have to pull on the handle harder than you should and causing it to fail sooner than it should? So when diagnosing a system and you find a failed part, make sure that you found the cause of that failed part, not just the failed part.